Hello friends, in chapter number 1 we discussed textual exercise question number 9. The question is that what does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reactions? Give question mark. Give examples. What does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reactions? Give examples. First we try to learn exothermic reaction and then write endothermic reaction. We give one example for each exothermic reaction and endothermic reactions. First we write exothermic reactions and then we write endothermic reactions. We write the answer with differentiate. So in exam the question arrived in different way, which is differentiate exothermic and endothermic reaction. So you have to write in differentiate. So we write the answer with differentiate exothermic reactions and endothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which heat energy is evolved during the formation of product is called an exothermic reaction. Give the example for exothermic reaction. For example, combustion of natural gas is an exothermic reaction. Recalled, combustion of natural gas is V. Edward called. Natural gas is called an exothermic reaction. Give the reaction for this. CH4 means methane present with air, so we write process with air, so we write oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water. In this way we also write small g, because here water vapor can form, so we write small g instead of small l. Here H2O small g. Balance, for balance the equation, carbon balance, we balance the hydrogen. Here hydrogen 4, so we balance hydrogen, 2 2s are 4, but oxygen will be unbalanced. Here 2 plus 2 4, so we put 2 to balance the oxygen. Now the equation will be balanced. Name for this, methane, oxygen gas, this one is carbon dioxide, and this is water. In reactants and products, the atoms are same, the equation will be balanced. Now we try to write about the endothermic reaction. Here a chemical reaction in which heat energy is evolved during the reaction, during the formation of product, is called an endothermic reaction. So now the one word is changed. In endothermic reaction, instead of heat energy is evolved, we write heat absorbed. So the reaction will be converted into endothermic reaction, right? A chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed during the formation of product is called an endothermic reactions. One word is different. Here heat is absorbed and here heat is evolved. We write plus heat. Give example for endothermic reaction. For example, decomposition of silver chloride in the presence of sunlight is called an endothermic reaction. Decomposition of silver chloride in the presence of sunlight. We already proved with the activity. In presence of sunlight, decomposition of silver chloride can occur. So write with equation. Silver chloride AgCl solid, presence of sunlight Ag plus Cl2. Ag means solid, Cl2 means gas. To balance the equation here, Cl1 Ag1 but Cl have 2 atoms, so put 2 before AgCl and put 2 before Ag. Now the products and reactants atoms are same, 2Ag 2Cl. Here when we write AgCl, Ag have also 2 atoms and Cl have also 2 atoms. So Ag have 2 atoms, Cl have 2 atoms, and 2Ag and Cl 2. Right here silver chloride, here silver chlorine gas. Easy equations are present in exothermic and endothermic reactions. They are, first we saw endothermic reaction. Let's revise quickly. A chemical reaction in which heat energy is evolved during the formation of product is called an exothermic reaction. Example, combustion of natural gas is called an exothermic reaction. CH4 plus 2O2 gives us CO2 plus H2O. Heat is evolved and here water vapor. Another is endothermic reactions, a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed during the formation of product is called an endothermic reactions. For example, in activity we take silver chloride, and with silver chloride we take also AgBr. Ag plus Br, silver bromide, presence of sunlight, Ag plus Br2, bromine gas. So it is also the example of endothermic reactions. But we take here decomposition of silver chloride in the presence of sunlight is called an endothermic reaction. 2AgCl, presence of sunlight gives us 2Ag plus Cl2. So we know about endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. These are the reaction for endothermic and this is exothermic. In next session we study one more reactions.